Vlookup is a great function in Excel. This short guide will walk you through getting results from another sheet. It will take just a few minutes to complete this tutorial. In this product sheet, we have columns about product, color, and price. Next to sales sheet, we have a drop-down list for product column. After entering product, the Vlookup function will return results for two columns, color and price. In cell C3, the formula will be Vlookup, press the tab key. Lookup value is cell B3. And the table array, you click on the product sheet, then click and drag to select cells B2 through D7. Press F4 to freeze the selection. Call index is color, so it is 2. And finally, choose false to find exactly the lookup value. Close function and done. I drag the formula down to cell C10. In the lines below, there is an error, so we need to add the following formula. If B3 is empty, then the result is empty and complete. Double-click the bottom corner of cell B3. At this time, the cells below will return empty results. So we see the above error has been fixed. You can absolutely do the same for the price column. But here I want to show you another way. Click and drag to select cells B2 through D7. On the Insert tab, click Table. Click to select the My Table has headers checkbox, OK. In table name, you enter Table Product. Click to Sales Sheet, we enter the formula for the price column. Equals if B3 equals empty, the result is empty. Otherwise, return the result of the Vlookup function. Select cell B3. And here, we enter Table Product and press Tab, no need to select the array as above. The price column is in the third position in the product table, so enter 3, and then enter 0 as false. Close function. Drag the formula down for the cells below. All done. You've just finished the tutorial, using Vlookup between two worksheets with two different ways. So you can get an idea of how to use them in your own workbooks. Success!